Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Before starting my video, heartfelt thanks to my amazing viewers for your constant support. Today's recipe: Café-style garlic bread without oven. Let's start the recipe. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm using homemade butter, but you can also use store-bought. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped cilantro. Add half teaspoon of oregano. Mix very well. Add salt to taste. Add a pinch of black pepper. Again, mix all the ingredients. Take 2 white bread slices and trim off the edges. Spread the garlic butter mixture evenly over the bread slices. Now add grated cheese on top. Adjust the quantity as per your taste. Add more if you love cheese, or less if you prefer light. Spread spring onions. Lightly grease the pan and preheat it. Then place your bread slices on it. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, sprinkle black pepper powder on the toast. Again, cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, our cafe-style garlic bread is ready. Say cheese. Serve hot. Perfect for high tea or tea time. Quick to make and sure to impress your guests. Do try it and share your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell your friends and family about the channel. Cooking in a Budget.